Testing this Meat Slinger 36 before it goes out to the customer tomorrow. It's going to a deer processing facility up in northeast Texas. We're going to test the hopper, make sure everything's working the way it's supposed to work, and before he picks it up tomorrow. So that's what I'm doing. And I'll run this thing up to 250, maybe 275, and let it run for about an hour or so, and shut it down, clean it out, and it'll be ready for him to roll tomorrow. Again, this Gator pit, trying to make sure that everything works on these cookers before they go out to our customers, to ensure our customers don't have any issues, mechanical issues, problems with the electronics and components or not. Obviously, nothing can go wrong with that. That's all welded steel boxes, right? So we're testing everything over here to make sure everything over there is working the way it's supposed to, and the pit gets to the temperatures that are expected out of it using these spaghetti hoppers. See ya. We're rolling smoke. That's a good thing. So the fire pot is fired up. The heating rod's working, obviously. Auger motor's working, feeding pellets. PID is on. I'm going to give it a little bit, let the smoke dissipate, and I'm going to set it at 250 degrees and let it work its way up to temp, and just double check that when it's starting to pull more power, more amps, that we don't trip anything and fuses don't blow and all that good stuff. Again, making sure this thing works before our customer picks it up tomorrow. Gator Pit Rich. Rich Robin, Gator Pit, Texas. Meat Slinger 36 model, test firing. Right now, making sure everything works. I've got it on the mid button, which is 270 degrees preset. Right now it's showing 268. So we are maintaining around that 270 degrees that it's got the preset mid button at. Got a few pellets in there. Again, I'm test running this, test firing it to make sure that everything on it's working. It's been running now for about an hour and a half. It's to the temp that I set it at. And the Meat Slinger 36, man, with the Pellet Pro Smoke Daddy hopper on the side. It's running, guys. I'm happy with it, and the customer ought to be happy with it. The customer shouldn't have any problems with it. When he gets it, everything should plug in and turn it on and season it and start throwing some meat on there after he seasons it. Rich Robin, Gator Pit, Texas, custom barbecue pit, made in the USA. See ya.